Desmasa was founded in 2004, and we've been working in the special machinery family since then, offering tailored solutions to our customers. We quickly started to integrate robots in our projects. It's an important part of our business. We work in almost all industries, from the agri-food sector, which is our largest, to the automotive industry, going through all the intermediate points.
In Desmasa, we have three main business lines: special machinery, high-pressure intensifiers, and robotic cutting cells. In the division of special machinery, we have machinery to meet our customer needs, which is not found in the traditional marketplace. Within this machinery, we offer special robotic cells for manipulation, picking, palletizing, etc.
For strictly special machining, our market is more local. We try to work in Spain and not far from our offices. For our standard products, such as robotic cells and cutting machines, we already work with global markets.
Our three-dimensional cutting cells are able to cut complex parts into 3 dimensions, with a precise cut on soft materials or even hard materials incorporating abrasive in water jet cutting, for example.
We work very close to the client, defining the specifications of the project very well and developing it into a full turnkey solution.
We are currently finishing a project of 3 water jet cutting machines for the automotive sector in America. In the first and second machines we use 3 robots, and in the third machine we use 4 Fanuc M20IA robots. They are 3 different machines adapted to the needs of the client. The development of these cells are done in collaboration with Fanuc. We were looking for high precision in the cuts, and a specific software package was developed and designed for the application of water cutting.
The close relationship with Fanuc since the beginning has allowed us to adapt perfectly to the needs of our customers.